Hello my fellow comic book collectors. This is going to be an unboxing video. I received a bunch of packages. So there's a bunch right there. And one big box, mystery box. No idea what's inside these. So we're going to find out. I'm going to open them up. And for those people that watch unboxing videos, you might be just like me. I watch unboxing videos mainly because I'm always curious what other people are buying. And I'm always curious about how much they paid as well. So I'll try to give you some of that information as well. So when I do these unboxing videos, I try to give pricing whenever I can, just so you know how much I paid. I don't always get the best deals. I try to shop around. I try to do the best. But you know, if I had just my local comic book shop, I'd do so much better. You know, having that situation where you're basically buying through eBay or through websites, you're not always getting the best deal, and that's one of the problems with the situation that we're living in right now, where we're just not getting access to all the comic book shops or local resources that we normally would have. Like flea markets are always can be always the best, because you get people that don't know their comics and are just trying to get rid of comics that their children might have or that they just want to get rid of. So there hasn't been that access for over a year now, and it's kind of sad that you can't get comics the way you used to be able to. And buying from eBay is always a bit painful, because right now the prices are way too high, and I think that is due to the fact that there's a huge demand, because we have all this extra money that we're just playing with and waiting, because we can't go out, we can't do the same things that we used to be able to do, and yet we have nowhere to spend. Like, we don't have anywhere to spend. We don't have the resources that we used to. So there's a big demand, and the supply is pretty minimal. It's like whatever's on eBay. And so we get like kind of a bit of a price, price gouging that happens on eBay. This is actually, I won an auction where the minimum bid was pretty low. I think it was like $14, and it was for a complete collection of Machine Man. So this is Machine Man's first appearance. I thought it was kind of, for $14 you can't really go wrong. Sometimes you get these really weird things on eBay where you actually see a low bid, nobody's bidding on it, and it's just like you win it anyways. So it's pretty good. So that's Machine Man number 1, Machine Man number 4, and number 3 is on the back. So it's a little bit cheap about the about the way they sent that. So yeah. And this is actually kind of an interesting one. I thought this is this is Dream Girl's first appearance. Now, Dream Girl is, in theory, the first, I think she's like a man, looks like a woman, first transsexual superhero. So I thought it was kind of interesting. So first appearance of Dream Girl, wasn't much. It was like $20. I thought it was just kind of an interesting first appearance. So sometimes I like these kind of oddball first appearances, and this is one of those oddball first appearances. Dream Girl's first appearance. Okay, and then I got a collection of Secret Invasion. So this is Secret Invasion number 1, because they're going to make a Secret Invasion show, so I thought I should probably pick up the Secret Invasion set. So this is Secret Invasion number 2, Secret Invasion number 3, Secret Invasion number 4, Secret Invasion number 5, Secret Invasion number 6, Secret Invasion number 7, And so Secret Invasion is going to be with the Skrulls. I actually have Fantastic Four #2, which is the first appearance of the Skrulls, coming in the mail sometime soon. So I'm looking forward to that one. And this is Secret Invasion #8. So Secret Invasion. So kind of a cool little series. I haven't read it yet. I'm hoping to get a chance to do that sometime soon. And now I'm going to open up other stuff. Okay. Please handle with care. Just reading the labels. It's kind of funny. Okay, interesting shipping. They shipped it in a honeycomb box. That's really odd. Okay. And actually, it arrived safely. It looks like it's arrived safely. It's just a little odd the way that they sent it. Okay, this is actually a really cool series that I bought. I really liked it. There's not much it's not like a really rich content series, like with lots of text and stuff, but it's just a really cool series. It's called Extinction Parade, and actually I'm becoming friends with the artist for this, so he's a really great artist, I think. So yeah, so this is Extinction Parade #5. Extinction Parade #2, not in order here, but okay. And the whole series is about sort of like the end of the world, like a zombie apocalypse, and how vampires would view the zombie apocalypse. So they're like, this is Extinction Parade #3. And it's just sort of interesting where they're sort of looking at the zombie apocalypse without really understanding what it means. And it's kind of very interesting series. And this is Extinction Parade #4. And this is Extinction Parade #1. And this is Extinction Parade, the limited cover, or the 1 in 10 variant. So that's kind of cool too. So that's actually, it's a really good series. I really enjoyed it. So it's a 5-book series. You can pick it up from my comic shop. They won't let me order it from Canada. So if you're from Canada, they won't let you order it. But you can pick it up from my comic shop for about $2 an issue. So like 10, 15 bucks. You can pick up the whole series. So really good deal. I recommend you check out my comic shop. Check out my affiliate link if you're going to go there, please. Yeah, it's a really great series. I thoroughly enjoyed it. So it's not like a major collectible, but it is a series that was written by Max Brooks, who is the one that wrote World War Z. So if you're a fan of World War Z, you'd probably like Extinction Parade. Really good series. So, this one's actually nice. It was sent in a Gemini mailer. And okay, this one I'm going to do a video on. This is Wolverine 131. This is the non-recalled version. So this one is kind of an interesting one, not a very expensive book. It's about a $20 book. The cool thing about this was Wolverine says something that's not politically correct. So they actually had to recall the whole comic series, just the comic, this one comic I should say. And they reworded it just so that it would be politically correct. So this is the non-politically correct version of Wolverine 131. And I kind of like these controversial comics. I think they're kind of funny. So yeah, so that's Wolverine 131. Okay, and the last package. Okay. Really interesting way of putting that. So they kind of pinned it to a thing with a whole bunch of tape. So yeah, not quite sure what this is going to be, but it's definitely well pinned down to this board. So much painter tape. I actually like the painter's tape, but when they kind of a little bit, this is like crazy, crazy amounts. I'm not quite sure what they were thinking. It's a little bit too much. So much painter tape. So it's like I'm trying to build the excitement of watching me open up this one comic. I'm hoping it's like there's a comic that I'm hoping it is, but I'm not sure. Based on the amount of painter tape, who knows? Okay. Almost there. There, I think that's the last one. Oh yeah, cool. Another controversial comic. So this is the one with Starfire and Pepe Le Pew. I paid $40 shipped for this comic. That's Canadian too, so a little bit cheaper than the US. It's about $30 US, 35 maybe. So yeah, this one, you know, is kind of a little bit hot right now. Probably overpriced, just so you know. It's hot because Pepe Le Pew is like considered to be a controversial character, and it's just kind of a cool, interesting one because Pepe Le Pew. The cool thing I love this cover actually. I really think it's a great cover. Pepe Le Pew is kind of like this skunk that goes around and tries to usually he's like a pickup artist, like a French pickup artist, and he's trying to pick up usually a cat. There's like this weird cat that gets paint spilled on it and becomes like looks like a skunk, and Pepe Le Pew is trying to pick it up, and it's like all being romantic-y and kissy and stuff like that, and usually he's the one that's kind of the aggressor. But in this cover, it's like Starfire being like, "Oh, you're such a cute little skunk," you know, like, and she's the one that's being the bit of the aggressor. So it's kind of cool. Right now it's being banned because of rape culture and promoting rape culture, but you know, I think it's kind of bogus. But you know, I like Pepe Le Pew. I think, you know, probably not many people like Pepe Le Pew because he's not that awesome of a cartoon, but I always thought it was a bit funny. It's always the same cartoon every time, really. So yeah, I thought it was interesting. So this is a really great cover, I thought. So that's it. That's my unboxing. A bunch of cool stuff. I'm specking on the Secret Invasions a bit. I think it's potentially going to be a great series. I really like the Skrulls as a character group. So yeah, so that should be interesting. And some of the other books are just books that I really liked. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out my other unboxing videos and my other videos in general. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.